All right, so today we're gonna be installing a carbon fiber diffuser on the B8.5 S5. So you're gonna need a T25 Torx. Here's what we're taking off. There's one.
Exhaust, are they hot?
The tips?
Yeah, is your exhaust hot? I don't want to touch it on accident.
Nah, tips are fine.
Oh, I stripped it. No, I'm just kidding. Did you believe me?
I mean, I wouldn't have really cared.
Why? Does it come with new ones?
It comes with screws. I didn't bring them because I just assumed we could just use these.
You should have just brought them anyways.
Yeah, I probably just should have. So now I think the smartest way to go about this is to start from the sides and work your way towards the middle. You pull towards the middle, I don't think you're gonna get a good grip on it. But if you start from the sides, you get a nice pull off of it. Don't be afraid to give it a little bit of force.
Oh, dude.
What?
Give me that.
Is there another screw?
Yeah, there's more screws.
All right, so, huh?
Yeah, see this clip right here just like slides in, so you gotta pull out. It goes in, so you gotta pull out.
Okay. All right.
Pull off from up here.
Oh, you're pulling from the top. Oh. Okay, you're gonna hear some unpleasant cracking. Oh. You hear some very unpleasant cracking. Not a fun sound. But eventually you'll get to the end. You also have a leaf on your head.
Gotta get that other screw out. This side lower?
Huh? All right, so now the last part of the diffuser comes off.
We got that screw off. Oh, there we go.
Boom.
Right
It looks like the middle part was the toughest part to kind of pull out. I guess kind of be careful around this point, but you don't really have a choice. There's no real way to kind of just get it off smoothly. You're gonna have to pull. So I think we're gonna have to work our way from the corners first to kind of get that thing to slide in. Let me get down. Let me see here. Okay. All right. Looks like kind of just slid on pretty well. Yep, so basically repeat the same process but in reverse for removing. Put in the screws. There's a screw up here as well, screw on the other side. A total of about 5 screws. So one thing we noticed, this diffuser is a lot thicker. And if you have an AWE touring like I do, it does hide the tips pretty deep. It's gonna be easier to tighten the side screws of the diffuser if we take off the tips anyways, so we're just gonna take them off and adjust them to stick out a little bit more. Nothing crazy, just to make them line up with the edge of the diffuser right there. If you can't see, yeah, right there. Just let them pull out a little bit more and they should be good to go. All right, so we got the tips to where we want them. Looks like pretty good. We're just kind of fine tuning it now.
I think it's good.
Yeah, should be good. Let me see how it looks from the back.
That looks perfect.
Yeah. Yeah, diffuser really adds to this car. Oh yeah, that looks great.
Yeah.
Old one did not look good. I mean, it looks good if you have a stock vehicle, but if you get like something like a wing, it just doesn't match well with a stock one.
Fitment's good though.
Yeah, fitment's great. A little bit of snags on the way putting it back together, but so far so good. Everything looks great. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out for a spin and hopefully nothing falls off. Make sure to like the video and subscribe if you want to see more content. Hopefully we'll be seeing more Evo content soon. Maybe even some GTI content, who knows? We need some more of that. We haven't done that in a while. What?
See you guys in the next video.